Hello and welcome to my channel. Today in this video we have some active noise cancelling headphones by Any Warphone headphones, and this is a new company, and I'm going to be unboxing, reviewing, testing out, and showing you if you should buy this headset or not. So we're gonna go get into it. So this pair of headphones I got is the silver version. They have black and silver. Right here you have these specs. We're going to be going into that in just a second, but you can go ahead and pause if you want to right now. Alright, so the whole box is plain, very simple, very modern, white box. So inside you have a hard shell carrying case, which is very nice for travel, and you have the company name. So let me just move this box. You have the company name, Any Warphone. This is the 7550T active noise cancelling wireless headphones. So you have a little strap here and a hard shell carrying case. It's very, very nice. And then looking inside the package, you have the headphones. So here they are. These are the silver versions, like I said, or gray, whatever you want to call it. They look really nice, and we're going to get into that in just a second. We're going to see the other contents. So right here we have a little bag containing your cables. This is the charging cable, which is micro USB. Sadly, it's not Type-C, but these pair of headphones I'll show you in just a minute. They have fast charging. Right here you have gold-plated 3.5 auxiliary cables or 3.5mm headset jacks. Right here you have a thank you card, basically. It's a have a nice day, and then it says thanks for your buying. And then it has a little message from the company. Then last you have a user manual, and it shows you how to set it up and some more specs, and in Chinese. So just some simple stuff, nice stuff. So let's move this carrying case to the side for a second. Let's get into the headphones. So these headphones on Amazon, right now they're on sale. They're originally $60, $59.99, but you could get a $10 coupon right now if you just go in Amazon and just equip it, and you'll be automatically entered into your cart. So as you can see, these are swivel action. They bend, so you can put them into your carrying case. As you can see, just snap into place, and then you could put them like this. So they have a right and left indication in the inside of the ear cuffs. These ear cuffs are very, very squishy. They are very soft, very, very comfortable. These pair of headphones are really light. They're 0.5 kilograms, so they're really light. You have a nice aluminum frame here around the cup, and right here around the actual adjusting size of the headphone. So it's really nice, brushed aluminum and metal here. And then right here you have more cushion. They call this leather, so it's really nice. It's like a fake leather, but it's really nice. Right here you have some buttons. As you can see, you have active noise cancellation on or off. Right now it's off. There it's on. It have a little green indication light. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. Green indication light. You have a power on button and then a volume up and down. And then right here you have some grills. Right here you have these are indicator lights, and then this is just to make it more symmetrical and have another indicator light. I'm not sure if these have microphones. I tested it on my Xbox One, and it doesn't really have a microphone when you try to talk to people, but that's probably just on the Xbox. But it might have it for calls. I'll have to double check. But right here you have the charging port. This is micro USB. I really like the metal. It's lightweight, really comfortable. I really like them. Right here above you have some information. It's 500 milliamps. It has the model number, the charging, and the producer. And it's made in China. So these are really comfortable. I'm gonna go ahead and pair them to my phone. These have Bluetooth 5.0 connection, so let's go ahead and power it on. And as you can see, it'll say power on. You have a little indicator light there. And then, yeah, you can pair. It's really easy to pair with Bluetooth 5.0 connection. It takes really quick. These are nice and flexible for those who have big heads or smaller heads. They won't break. Really nice headphones. Overall, amazing pair. Really good for travel, really good for anything in that matter. There we go, we just powered them off. Really comfortable, as you can see. Really comfortable. I don't know what else to say. The active noise cancellation is pretty good. The sound quality is really good. Bass isn't the best, but it has some bass. The sound is very clear. When you're playing Call of Duty, Modern Warfare, or anything like that, or Fortnite, you can use these as gaming headsets with the 3.5mm headset jack. You can just put it in your controller, and you can use it as a headset. There's no mic, so you can't really talk to your friends, but you can use it as a hearing headset. So that's a plus always, and these have about 30 hours of battery life. If you have no active noise cancellation on, it's about 20 hours. So these are really good, really inexpensive. They're literally probably mid-range. They're not high-end, they're not low-end, they're mid-range. So they're really good, really nice pair of headphones. I have another pair, the black ones. I'm going to go ahead and unbox and review those. And we're going to go ahead and show you more things about this in the future video. We're going to do an everyday carry on these headphones, and I'm not sure if I want to do black or gray. We're going to decide when we get there. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.